Let's do this again, and we're going to go into the pose. Rotation, end up with most of your body weight on your right leg, then going into the pose, continue the rotation to end up with your left side to the audience, bend your right knee, and lead your left leg backward, keeping it straight. At the same time, lead the left hand to the side, then straighten your knee to get out of the pose. Make sure not to pull the man with you or lean on him too much, rather try to stay within your own balance as much as you can. Back to the men's perspective, at that point you're already on your left leg. Make sure to direct your body toward the lady. Bend your left knee, leading your right leg backward and away from yourself. Straighten your arms to lead the lady further into the pose. Make sure to keep your back straight. While getting out of the pose, straighten your leg and lead the lady into her clockwise rotation. Using both your hands, lead her first in front of yourself and into the rotation. So your hands are going to go like this. At the same time, shift your body weight to your right leg, following the lady. Ladies, you're going to rotate clockwise after getting out of the pose. First, straighten your leg, then take 3 steps, starting with the left leg, right one, left one. End up facing the man with your body weight on your left leg. One more important pointer for the man: once you initiate the lady's rotation, make sure to instantly take your hands out of the way of the rotation, placing them on your sides, slightly behind yourself. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4.